See how the ribbon thins out on the melt? That's the surface tension doing the work.
Right. It's perfectly flat.
In 1957, safety is paramount.
All right, bring it down slow.
Easy now.
Hold it right there, look square. Right there, Bert, see the crack?
Indeed. We'll have to reject this one for die correction.
This specialized facility produced the revolutionary Tubular Center-X Frame, a 1950s chassis innovation that
This advanced suspension technology replaces the old kingpin design, utilizing these new spherical ball joints for a smoother ride.
Steady on the pour, watch the temperature.
Clear. Moving the next mold into position.
High-precision boring is critical for engine performance, achieving exact cylinder dimensions of 4.00 inches.
We're installing the timing chain and gears. Aligning these marks is critical for the valve operation, connecting the crankshaft to the camshaft.
the cast iron head is carefully lowered onto the block. Then, following the manufacturer's precise specification,
.325 horsepower confirmed.
Reading officially logged, sir. Here we see the installation of the two-element fluid coupling. It's crucial to remember this 1957 design does not multiply torque like a modern converter.
The distinctive biscuit motif you see here is far more labor-intensive than standard Cadillac interiors, requiring meticulous hand-button tufting.
We see the installation of the electric power mechanism, standard equipment providing fore-aft height and recline adjustment.
Check the pressure on that cylinder. We need a steady 400 psi before it ships. Easy now, bring her down another foot. Front end is clear.
We're lining it up on the mounts.
All right, set it down gentle. Bring it down slowly. We're clear on this side.
Clear on the right.
Perfect, that's the one.
All right, easy now. Watch the edge.
Got it. Bring it down slow.
Looks good right there.
The Eldorado Biarritz, instantly recognizable by its distinctive gold script and matching grille.
Precision is key, as the distinctive gold saber spoke wheels, standard on the Eldorado, are carefully torqued.
The Biarritz offers 300 horsepower and the smoothest ride imaginable.
$7,286. That's quite...
Observe this, madam. A single touch, and the Biarritz power top stows itself away, effortlessly revealing the open road in mere seconds.
The quality of this biscuit tufting is simply unmatched.
Cadillac takes great pride in the Biarritz interior, sir.
The distinctive upright fin of the 1957 Eldorado represents the ultimate expression of
Long day, but we build the standard of the world right here.
That $250 an hour and the new pension helps too.
This historic body drop equipment, preserved from the Clark Street closure in 1987, demonstrates the 50s assembly process.
We're at 150,000. Do I hear 160? 160 over here, now 170. 175,000, going once, going twice, sold.
The engine bay is immaculate, consistent with the mileage.
Yes, the provenance is solid. It should be a strong performer.
This is the legendary 365 cubic inch V8, a masterpiece of 1950s engineering.
Crowned by the iconic Batwing cleaner, this dual quad setup with progressive linkage represents the Eldorado's performance advantage.
The 1957 Eldorado Biarritz, a true collector's item, representing the pinnacle of 50s styling.